portions of South. Tornado warning for the following county: Polk, Florida. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for Central Hardee County in Central Florida, Southwestern Polk County in Central Florida, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles south of Wauchula, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, although 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fort Greene, Zolfo Springs, and Bowling Green. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.